Now to show you the GrowCube, an intelligent watering machine. Unboxing first. Open the box and take out the GrowCube host. Press to open lid and see the water tank. Take out accessories from the GrowCube tank. Then see the front of the GrowCube. There are indicator lights with two colors. Blue light indicates the connection status. Red light indicates an abnormal condition. Look at side of GrowCube. This is the unlock button. When abnormal conditions occur more than 3 times, GrowCube locks automatically. After troubleshooting, click the unlock button. It can be used normally. This is the temperature and humidity sensor. It can detect temperature and humidity around GrowCube. This is reset button hole. Press the reset button with needle for 3 seconds can restore GrowCube to factory settings. A final look at the back of the GrowCube. This is an external water tank hole. After removing the rubber stopper using a water pipe to connect the external water tank from this hole. This is the 12-volt power interface. Capital letters indicate 4-way sensors, lowercase letters indicate the 4-way outlet. The accessories that GrowCube comes with are 12-volt power adapter, soil moisture sensor, used to detect soil moisture in plants, GrowCube user manual, GrowCube exclusive nozzle, allows plants to be watered more evenly, bracket, for fixing nozzles, reset needle. Inserting the reset button hole can restore the GrowCube to factory settings. Filter connector, connect the water outlet and pipe. The other 2 types of connectors allows one outlet to water more plants.